Hi and welcome back. This is the patio project I had for the back of my garden, and it's finished now. Thanks God, nothing went wrong and it's looking absolutely amazing. So I have done some cuts right at the end, which I'm going to show you now. So there we are. It's all finished, and you can see it. I've done all the cuts around the edges, and so I finished along that edge as well, and then I built this little pot for flower, and I've cut them V-shape, so it just gives a little bit of look at the end of the patio. So now I'm going to show you, once you do all your cuts along the edges, which I showed on my other video. So I've cut all of that, and I cut 45° along that wall, and then when you work your way from right hand side to the left, you just leave them hang like that, and then you mark it with a ruler or level. So when you do 5, 6, 7 pallet woods at a time, then just get a ruler or a level and just follow the last piece that you actually had cut before. Put your level there and all the way to this end, and then basically just run your pencil along, mark it. Once you mark it, then you can either cut it with a saw like that or a circle saw. If you don't have them, don't worry, you can take your time, have a cup of tea, cut them one by one by hand sew. So it's all about enjoying your time at the back of your garden. So there is no need to be having electrical saw, so you can do it with hand sew as well. Okay, if you use if you have a circle saw, a small one like this, it's really handy. All you have to do is basically see that point there. As long as that one is in line with the pencil, it'll easily cut it. I'll just show you one. So get ready. See, nice and flush on the pencil line. And but if you don't have circle saw and you have something like this, all you have to do is very simple. Make sure you've got your nippets on, just keep it there, press the button, follow the pencil line. Easy as that. And if you don't have electrical saw, as I said, just use your hand saw, take your time, and it will be fine. Okay, it's all cut, and then later on you can actually have another piece of pallet, just go along the edge. You can screw them all on, and then the edge of the raw edge of the planks can be hidden by another plank like that. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So this is ready for varnishing. As you can see, I've got very light color stain, which I will do all over. So and then you can choose your own color, and this is looking really nice. And sometimes, you know, anyone could do this kind of project really. So it doesn't have to be adult, even like 10 years old, 15 years old, if they just get a hand saw and a hammer, and you know, rather than playing games all the time, I think it'd be good if they get at the back of the garden and just do something, small projects, you know, flower pots and a tiny little table, and they will impress their dads and moms. So this will be good actually for anyone to learn some tricks and and it's not like a tradesman's ability. Anyone could do so as long as you know the tricks. And this is looking nice as well, so I will put some seeds of flower in there. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope this has helped everyone, and you will have a free patio or decking, anything you could call it, at the back of your garden of free pallets. And they're free. You can find them from anywhere you see them. It's free. Pick them up as long as you have the permission from the back of someone's yard or companies. Pick it up and bring it home and make a project of patio or tables, anything you like really. So this is the finishing, and I'm gonna apply some stain and paint to it, and that's it. Thank you very much. Hope you have your own project at the back of your garden, and this can help you to learn some trick, and it's very easy as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.